In this video, we're going to talk about the apps. Apps that you've downloaded from the Clever Store will be stored here in your apps folder. To access them, click on Apps, and it will open to pages where you have your apps stored. You can organize your apps by creating folders. Simply click and hold and drag that icon into a folder. To rename that folder, click on the folder, then click on the word folder, and you'll have an opportunity to rename it using this keyboard. To delete an app you no longer would like to use, click and hold, then drag that app to the garbage can. I am going to uninstall it. If I choose to reinstall it at another time, I can go back to the Clever Store and get it again. To open an app from the Apps folder, simply click on that and the app will open on your panel. To leave an app, simply click your floating pencil and take yourself back home. Please visit us at pd@bloom.com for any further questions.